Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll be showing you how to take screenshots on the iPhone 17. As my iPhone 17 is running a recent version of iOS, you should probably be able to use the same methodology to take screenshots on any other iPhone running a recent version of iOS. Now, to take a screenshot on the iPhone, nowadays, now that we have Face Unlock, the way to do it is to tap at the same time your side power button, so the one on the right hand side of your phone, and volume up at the same time. So in this case, if I would like to take a screenshot of Michael Fisher's thread, I just press volume up and power button at the same time, and then you get given the edit option to edit and save your screenshot. And then once you press the button at the top, you can save to photos, and that's how you take a screenshot on the iPhone. If this doesn't make sense to you, if you have any issues with that, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.